Hello student. Now in this video I am going to teach you working of moving coil type speaker and its internal diagram with construction. Let's start. First point is why it is called as moving coil speaker, because a voice coil is moved in the air gap between magnet and cone. So it is called as a moving coil type speaker. As you can see on your screen, this is the internal diagram of moving coil type speaker. Construction. It consists of number one point. It consists of voice coil. This is the voice coil. Single layer wire wound on cupboard form a voice coil. Coil have two terminals where audio current is applied to the coil, and coil is attached to the cone type diaphragm. So it is also called as a moving coil cone type diaphragm. This is the two terminal on where we have to apply that audio current. Permanent magnet. This is the permanent magnet. Pot type permanent magnet is used and it generates strong magnetic field to the voice coil. Diaphragm. This is the diaphragm. Cone type diaphragm is used and made by paper material. This is the dust cap. So here we complete the construction of moving coil type speaker. Working of moving coil type speaker. When audio current was applied to the voice coil, there is an interaction between magnetic field and voice coil. As a result, force work on the coil. So coil vibrates and diaphragm also vibrates due to vibration in the air gap between magnet and coil, resulting as a output sound waves. Here we have to apply that audio current to the voice coil. Force was developed, coil vibrates. We know that coil is attached to the diaphragm. There is a vibration takes place in the air gap between magnet and voice coil. As a resulting output sound waves is produced. So audio current is converted into the sound waves. Some important characteristics. Efficiency is 5%. Signal to noise ratio is 30 dB. Frequency response is poor, that is 60 to 5 kHz. Distortion is more than 5%. Impedance is 2 to 32 ohm. Power handling capacity is 25 milliwatt. And some important applications. Moving coil type speaker can be used in hi-fi unit. Second, public addressing system. Some advantages are high power can be obtained and some frequency response is up to 5 kHz. Disadvantage is that power supply needed for field coil. Second is heavier weight, due to that some speaker, and third will be the costlier. Another type of speaker is Hooper. So definition of Hooper: it is a larger cone diameter, heavy, weight and low frequency speaker called as a Hooper. It is a speaker used to playback or used to generate low frequency sound in the range of 10 to 500 Hz called as a Hooper. It is used to playback low frequency sound like bass. So it is used in the car, computer unit, home theater system to playback low frequency sound. As you can see, this is the image of Hooper system. Its size is big, its weight is big due to that permanent magnet, and it can be generates low frequency sound. Squeaker or speaker: it is a medium frequency speaker that is used to playback the frequency range of sound around 500 Hz to 5 kHz. It can be used in home audio system. Tweeter: it is a high frequency speaker. It is a small cone diameter type speaker used to playback or generate high frequency sound. It can be used in car, computers, home system to play high frequency sound around 5 kHz to 20 kHz. That is in the range of audio frequency. This is the image of tweeter. This is the image of also tweeter. Its size is very small and it used to playback the high frequency signals. Now, crossover network. In this point, we are going to cover the need for crossover network and where it is used. Crossover network used in multi-way speaker system. Multi-way speaker system means the system that contains more than two speakers, then called as a multi-way speaker system. It can be used between the amplifier and speaker unit. So crossover network consists of two important components. One will be the inductor and another will be the capacitor. Inductor and capacitor forms the filter network. Maybe high pass filter, maybe medium pass filter, maybe low pass filter. As in the diagram, you can see tweeter is used to connect high pass filter. Hooper is used to connect low pass filter. Squeaker is used to connect medium pass filter. So crossover network is used to divide incoming sound signal into the separate frequency bands. It divides the signal into the frequency band, means high pass filter is used to allow only high frequency pass to the tweeter. Low pass filter is used to allow low frequency pass to the Hooper. This is the diagram of two-way crossover network. This is the Hooper speaker, this is the tweeter speaker, and this is the crossover network, that is high pass filter, and this is low pass filter. The function of low pass filter is used to allow to pass only low frequency sound signal to the Hooper. The function of high pass filter is used to allow the high frequency signal pass to the tweeter and blocks the low frequency signal. This is the important graph for high pass filter and low pass filter with the cutoff frequency. We also called as a crossover frequency. So according to the formula, the value of capacitor can be calculated, that is equals to the under root 2R equals to the under root 2R upon 2 pi cutoff into cutoff frequency. The value of capacitor is equals to the 1 upon 2 root to the power 2 pi Fc into R, where R is the resistance of coil and Fc is the cutoff frequency of the crossover network. Amplifier. The function of amplifier is to amplify the audio frequency signal or weak signal in the range of 20 to 20 kilohertz. So to reproduce sound in the hi-fi system like television unit or mobile unit, so there are two types of amplifier is used. One will be the pre-amplifier, another will be the power amplifier. Pre-amplifier is used at the microphone side and power amplifier is used at the speaker side. The function of pre-amplifier is to increase strength of microphone signal output, and the function of power amplifier is used to increase the power of signal which is given to the speaker. Monophonic system, the system that consists of single amplifier, called as monophonic system. The monophonic system contains one microphone, one amplifier and one speaker. That is called as a monophonic system. It can generate one direction sound. Stereophonic system, that consists of two microphone, two amplifier and two speaker, one for left channel, another for right channel. Stereophonic system required some skilled person for adjusting the microphone output or controlling the microphone output or adjusting the speaker volume and so extra parts. At last, some important difference between monophonic and stereophonic. Monophonic stand for monophonic sound, stereophonic stand for stereophonic sound. Channel 1 in mono, stereo contains 2 channel. Use of monophonic system, that is public addressing system, telephones, mobile communications, stereo, movies, television, music player, FM radio stations. Skilled person is required for stereophonic for sound recording as well as equipment handling purpose. Monophonic does not contain any skilled person. Single to single end connection is required in monophonic. So here we complete all parts of loudspeaker. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please ask.